Hi, my name is Muntira.
Hi, my name is Venosha.
Hi, my name is Karun Nizam Mahirudin.
Hi, my name is Lo.
Hi, my name is Siti Noshahira.
Mph Bookstore is a popular book and online retailing service under Mph Group Malaysia. Sendiri Berhad, people prefer to get everything at the comfort of their own homes as it saves time and effort. Same goes to the online bookstore. Rather than going out, they can search for books they want from the system, pre-order them, and have them delivered or pick up orders from the bookstore. Mph Online also offers an extensive collection of book titles where they have doorstep delivery locally and internationally.
Functional requirement is what the system should do. First, search system. The system should enable user to search the title, author, ISBN, and publisher of the books. The system should be able to display a result in a few minutes. After this, if the query is not match the result, the system should display the indicator that show the system unable to find books. Second, register account. Each user of Mph can register an own account by using username and password. And each account would be easier to user to find the book or doing any transaction in the system.
I want to explain about the functional requirement or the summary. User, regardless of having an account or not, can add books into their chart for purchasing purposes. After the addition of books into the chart, they can view the order summary that shows the total number of books and the total amount of price. Offer and promotions. The homepage displays a variation of promotion banners, updates list of trending books, all-time favorites and stationery. Users can click on the provided links or banner to access the promote items.
The next functional requirement is newsletter sign up. At the bottom of the homepage, there is an option to sign up for Mph online newsletter. Users could leave their email address for any notification, offer, promotion, and system updates. The sixth functional requirement is the social media follow option. At the bottom of the homepage, there is an option to follow Mph online social media pages and accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, where they could get update about the system and also the items.
The seventh requirement is order confirmation. The system will send confirmation message of the order items through email or specified contact detail to make sure the user will receive the correct item. Next is menu and categories. Users can find different genre of books and types of stuff sold by selecting the menu on the homepage, and the system will show on the list of the items that selected. This helps the users to find the items they want easily.
The next functional requirement is inquiry address and contact details. The system provides a site for users to contact the Mph online administration through email, customer care line, and the headquarter address if they have any inquiries regarding the procedures of buying, shipping, and receiving the items. The last functional requirement is payment options. After viewing the total price, users can choose their payment options. For instance, they can proceed the transactions as a guest by filling up their personal information or sign up for membership to be a regular customer for Mph Online.
Non-functional requirement is what you want the system to do. The first non-functional requirement is operating system platform. The system has been developed for users using Windows, Vista, and also Macintosh operating systems. The interface for the PC is on the top, while for the smartphone it's on the left side of the page.
Next non-functional requirement is payment method. The system uses different payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal. The system will link us to the secure payment pages where users have to verify their identity.
Privacy policy, product requirement. The privacy policy is formulated in accordance with the Personal Data Protection Act 2010, which user information is collected and used with respect to their personal data. user information and privacy is guarded while browsing the website.
Loading speed. Based on the website pingdom, the time taken for the page to load is 3.25 seconds.
Web page size. The page is mostly made up of images and text. Based on the website pingdom, the web page size is 9.5 megabytes.
Now I will explain about the user interface design principle. The user interface is everything designed into an information device with which a person may interact. The first UI is minimal surprise. User interface of the system should have minimum surprise, which the users should never be surprised of the system behavior. For the Mph website, it does have minimal surprise because the user can predict what the system should do after they click the button.
The next principle is consistency. User interface should be consistent on every pages or web page. User interface is important to keep interaction between user and system. The navigation button on the Mph website is presented in the same way for a web page. For Mph Online, the navigation, like search button and category of book, is presented at the top of web page and is same for all pages accessed by user.
The next principle is recoverability. It is the ability of the system to provide resilience to the user error and allow the user to recover from error. The system provides the user to delete and update the items that have been added to the cart. Besides that, if the user forgets their password, they can input their email and the password will be prompted to their email to log in.
The next principle is user diversity. The interface should provide a design for all models, which means it provides interaction facilities for different types of system users. For instance, Mph website provides a menu bar which has a list that enables users to search for items or assistance they prefer.
User interface is the user guidance. Creating the interface that helps and guides the user must the biggest goal of the UI designer and is a key point of the ensuring they can leverage your software to its full extent. The UI should mislead users and must provide them with the meaningful feedback. You must induce them to the right mental model.
API is a set of functions and procedures that allow the creation of applications which access the features or data of an operating system, application, or other services. Register and Login API. Register API provides a service for users to register for newsletters at Mph Bookstore. Users are required to enter their email address and password in order to register. Login API enables registered users to log in to Mph website using their email address and retype a code for security reasons to gain access for notifications and newsletters from Mph Online Bookstore.
Next, category list API. It returns a list of Mph books that match the API request parameters. The user just need to click the option category such as special offer, books, stationery, toys and games, and lifestyle. The system will directly proceed to the web page and display the result for the category choose.
Search List API returns a collection of search results that match the query parameters of the API. The user can search based on title, ISBN, author, and more. Besides that, they can also search a specific query.
Payment method API. These endpoints will allow you to easily manage payment methods. base URI is /API/v1 payment-methods.
The next API is Gmail API. Gmail API is API that can read and send message, draft, and attachment through Gmail setting. The customer needs to sign in and email to save in the system of Mph. If the system has any updated information, it will send directly to the customer Gmail account, and a link is provided to view and a new updated.
The ways to improve the website API is by adding a few more APIs, which are Voice Search API, Photo Search API, and Online Chat API.
The solution for part 1. The functional requirement placed in the website depends on the types of software being developed. In this case, the website is being developed is a website for online bookstore. Besides that, the system is developed based on the end user, which is the customer. The non-functional requirement as for Mph bookstore has too many images, which slow down the speed and increase the web page size. This causes the time taken for loading to be longer.
The solution in part 2 is user interface is important to generate interest and online traffic among internet users. For Mph Online, the user diversity with different categories or menus make the user comfortable with the interface even and has a variety of choice. An API should function to simply programming by extracting the implementation and object or action the developer needs.
In conclusion, the idea of making an online bookstore for Mph was a good idea, but the way the functional and the non-functional requirement had been stated is not clear enough to give information to the user. The UI of Mph is quite attractive. It has a lot of images and the layout of the homepage is familiar and similar to the other popular online business website.
There are a few comments on the website. Firstly, there's no option for changing to other languages on the website. Secondly, no API is provided. And thirdly, the user interface lacks information.
Suggestion on website. 1. Provide step-by-step guidelines. 2. Create the application for different operating system (OS). 3. Improve graphic layout of the website.
Thank you!